Happy Monday, everybody. I am at the park. Right now I need to change lenses because I'm at what I like to call Jackrabbit Park because there's lots of jackrabbits here. But I just got back from Rocky Mountain National Park yesterday afternoon. I have a lot of photos to go through. So this week I will be gearing up with my computer. But first, I thought I would come to the park, take a few photos, see if I can capture some jackrabbits, and then head out to actually pick up my computer. But before I talk to you about why I have to pick up my computer, let's get out on the trails. No jackrabbits yet, friends, but I have seen some fluffy-tailed little bunnies. In fact, I can see one just up there. They're being a little bit skittish this morning and hopping away from me every time, which is a little bit unusual. I feel like normally they're a little bit less fearful of me. But anyway, it is definitely getting to be springtime here in the desert. I have seen flowers and, of course, all these little bunnies and birds are chirping in the air, and it's a beautiful morning. All right, so here is why I have to pick up my computer. I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro. It is several years old, but it is the Retina display. Hello, birds. I don't know what those are. Let me take a picture of them. Yeah, so if anybody knows what those are, let me know because I don't recognize them. I recognize the color. I actually thought they were doves as I got closer, though. I saw they had those big beaks. I don't know what that is. Let me know if you do. Okay, where was I? I was the reason why I need to pick up my computer. Retina display, 15-inch MacBook Pro from, I think, somewhere around 2013. I really like my computer. I see no reason to get a new one. It's great, it's fast and everything for video editing, and I love the large screen. However, the display needed to be replaced because it got damaged. It's not an uncommon thing for these MacBooks to it's something about pressing up against the keys when you close them. And I don't know if it's the oils on the keyboard from my hands or if it is if possibly it got compressed, you know, if the screen got pressed down onto the keys at some point, like in my backpack or something. I'm usually pretty careful with it, but you never know. Anyway, the display had gotten to the point where it was really impeding my editing and stuff for photos. It was right in the middle of the screen. So yeah, had to get it replaced. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that today I will be picking up a beautiful new display. One of the things that I was concerned about with this replacement, I didn't take it to Apple. I took it to a place called Experamac. I know that everyone's going to have their own opinion on where you should go, if you should go to Apple, if you should go somewhere else. This is the decision I made because I knew it was going to be a little less expensive. I did some research and, you know, they got good reviews and everything. And the gentleman said that they do use Apple branded displays. So I wasn't concerned about, not that I wasn't concerned because I am concerned still, until I see the thing, I'm still going to be concerned, but concerned about color. My Macs, every single one that I've had, have always had incredibly accurate color. I'm not sure which way to go. Let's go this way. They've always had really accurate color because as a photographer, that's important to me. A lot of folks, they message me and they're like, hey, color calibration, what do you suggest? And I'm like, buy a Mac because I don't have to calibrate them. And I love that. I realize, again, lots of opinions there. I have used lots of Windows machines. In fact, Raymond uses a Surface Book. I don't ever remember all the different names of those things. He uses a several-year-old Surface Book a lot, and he really likes it, but I don't think he really edits photos on it. But I gotta stop for a second. Apparently I'm out of breath, which is hilarious because I've been in the mountains for a week hiking up and down in the snow, and I've been totally fine. But today I'm out of breath. Anyway, so yeah, I get to go pick up my computer. I'm really looking forward to it. All right, well, I'm gonna try to sneak up on some jackrabbits to take their portraits this morning for a little while longer. And while I'm doing that, if you all are interested, I know I've mentioned how I've been in the Rocky Mountains a couple times, I think. I did make a kit. I have a kit page with a few kits on it, but yesterday morning before I left Rocky Mountain National Park, I made a kit of stuff that helped me make the trip a success. You know, there were a bunch of things. I put all the camera gear because all of it worked really well for me. I put battery chargers, I put my snowshoes, my gaiters, stuff. Everything that helped me do the trip. Yeah, so I put it all in one kit. So if you are interested, I'll put a link to that below. Okay, friends, I am headed out of the park and I just saw a coyote, or maybe two, I'm not sure, but what a beauty. What a beauty those things are. I actually saw some at Rocky Mountains yesterday, 2 days ago? Maybe it was 2 days ago. I saw some, and to see one, you know, here it was just cool. It was cool. In fact, I've never seen one here, although it makes complete sense that they would be here because, one, it's the desert, and two, it's bunny central. So this is definitely like fun meal time for them. Easy pickings. In fact, there's a bunny right in front of me, not moving. Come on, dude. Help yourself out. Anyway, guys, that's it. I did see, along with the coyote, I saw some jackrabbits, I saw some bunnies, I saw some cool birds, I saw a hummingbird. Actually, I saw several hummingbirds, but I got some good photos of one of the hummingbirds. And now I feel that I'm going to sit down at a coffee shop for a little bit with my computer, the little one. I have the little tiny MacBook Air, a little 11-inch in my backpack until Xperia opens and I can go pick up my big computer. So, oh, there goes Bunny. Man, what a great day. What a great day. I hope you all are having as great a day as I am. And I hope that even though I am gearing up with my computer this week, I'm glad I came out this morning for a quick hour or so walk around in the desert, and I hope that you all get to do the same thing. Take out your gear this week at some point, even if it's just for an hour walk in the desert before the world wakes up, and use your stuff. Enjoy your week, and that's it, everybody.